there, this is Misty SOLDwisch from the Misty SOLDwisch team at RE/MAX Innovations, and welcome to my video blog. So last month we sent out an email asking what kind of questions you have that you'd like to have answered in the blog. One thing that we overwhelmingly got a lot of emails about was questions from first-time homebuyers about how the mortgage process works. So today I have with me Jenny Green from Lincoln Savings Bank to help us answer some of those questions. A question that we had from Shelby Suggs was, how much money do I need to prepare to put down? And then kind of related to that, Myra Nunez asked, what's the difference between an FHA mortgage, a VA mortgage? And Judy Mickles asked, who do I contact for a USDA loan? So tell us a little bit about what kind of typical mortgages first-time home buyers do.
First-time home buyers there are several products available. We have conventional loans, we have Federal Housing Administration loans. The conventional loans require typically a 5% down payment. Federal Housing Administration typically requires a 3.5% down payment. USDA loans, which are United States Department of Agriculture, are a zero down program, which is an excellent program for people that are looking in more rural areas. Typically, we want to see people have enough money to bring to the table the 3.5% or the 5%. However, there are other considerations such as tax proration credits, etc., that happen at the closing time that are credited to the borrowers.
Now, should a buyer make any sort of consideration of having some sort of knowledge of how their credit is before they start the process?
They should definitely contact a mortgage banker like ourselves at Lincoln Savings Bank and get a pre-qualification before they start looking, so they know what they're comfortable with paying every month and how they feel about the rates and the payments and all of the things that are associated with a new mortgage.
Now, Cassie sent me a question asking, what are closing costs?
Typically, closing costs include appraisals, the title work that is rendered to clear title to a property, the settlement agent's closing fees, the credit report. Those are typical closing costs on a typical mortgage.
Now, is that something that they have to be prepared to come up with the cash for in order to close?
A lot of times we can ask sellers to help pay closing costs, which we see quite a bit of, and they're typically pretty good about donating or giving, offering, say, $2,000, $3,000 towards the closing costs, which pretty much covers them all.
Diana Schroeder sent a question asking, are there any incentives for first-time home buyers?
Iowa Finance Authority has a number of incentives for first-time home buyers as well as second or third-time home buyers. They have a grant that is approximately $2,500 that can go towards your closing costs, towards your down payment, or any of the other prepaid fees that go along with the loan.
If someone wanted to contact you, Jenny, what's the best way to do that?
You can contact me at my local office number is 515-222-0123, and my extension is 2506, or my email is jenniferg@mylsb.com.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Well, thanks so much, Jenny. I
Thanks
think
for
that's
having
really
me.
going to help.